Once you've got a handle on your content strategy, you need to get your content in front of an audience. This is where a lot of people drop the ball. They start cranking out epic content, but then nobody ever sees it because they don't do anything to promote it. The old build it and they will come adage sounds pretty good in theory, but in practice, it's just not enough. You have to put in the work. Not just in your content creation, but in your promotion as well. In fact, you may see better results by spending more time on promotion than you spend on creating new content. In this section, we're going to talk about search engine optimization, social media, and 12 strategies you can use to promote your content and grow your audience without spending a dime.